What's up, everybody? Welcome to Truck Central. My name is Steve Fast, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Over here at Truck Central, we are all about trucks, and anybody who's really into trucks knows about the Ford Raptor. Now, the Ford Raptor, although being very expensive, is a very capable off-road vehicle. But I think we can do this a little bit cheaper, so this is our little bit of a take on it. So right here behind me, we have what would be probably one payment on probably the cheapest Raptor you can buy brand new. Now, this truck here was about $500. It already has an off-road grille. It already has blown airbags, which seems to happen when you really jump a Raptor. And this one over here was $150. So altogether, we've got $650 worth of Ford F-150s that I think could be a whole lot of off-road fun. All right, so we are here in the cold, windy weather of Pennsylvania. It rained all last night. We had a little bit of snow, so it's cold, wet, windy, and terrible out basically. So what we're gonna do is do a cold start on both these trucks and see if for $650, we can get both of them to go. All right, let's see if we can go 2 for 2. See if beast mode's gonna start in this cold weather. And no luck. Unfortunately, this truck does have a bad battery, but we do have the Lariat, which is running just fine. So we can take this truck and boost that truck. I've never seen a Raptor be able to boost itself. So we got our cables hooked up to our other truck. Let's give this one another go. Just like that. So as everybody knows, the Raptor is known for its Baja pedigree and its ability to actually jump the truck and retain your warranty. So being that neither one of these trucks has a warranty, you don't have to worry about that. And let's see if we can get one of these airborne. I'd say mission successful. So if you had a 2019 Ford Raptor and you did something like that to your brand new truck, you might be thinking, oh no, what am I gonna do? I gotta go to the insurance company, the body shop. Not when you have two old F-150s. Good as new, now we got a pre-runner. So now that we know that the green truck with the pre-runner is all up to Raptor standards, let's see if the brown one will do the exact same thing. But two V8s. Both these trucks are equipped with a 5.4 liter V8, which I'm sure have lost a few ponies along the way, but there's only one way to test out the horsepower of these two monsters, and that's in a tug of war. All right, so round one didn't go so great for beast mode, but either way, I wasn't ready. I hit the horn. I was kind of waiting for Martin to go because I didn't want to just drag him. I want to kind of wait until he started to pull a little bit of mud. So we got a true Ford guy right here. This is Mike, lives next door. So we're having some fun, so we're gonna get him in the driver's seat and see what he can do with it.
Whoa, I don't know about that.
Oh, come on, do it. So what do you think? 70-some thousand for a Raptor or a couple old F-150s?
A couple old F-150s, you kidding me?
1 month payment, you get 2 trucks.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Well, there you have it, everybody. The trucks can both jump like a Raptor. They both have a ton of horsepower. So, I mean, is it a better deal to buy a Raptor? Maybe, but if you're gonna spend $650, I don't think there's any better way than this. So we are gonna be doing a lot more fun things with these 2 F-150s. I think it's time that the green one gets a little bit of a performance upgrade, possibly an exhaust upgrade. So definitely stay tuned to the next episode for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep that hammer down.